welcome to the channel. Today I will guide you through making these charming little romantic roses, which so far happens to be everyone's favourite little flower. You can pause the video at any time and use the chapters I've added to quickly revisit any step. This tutorial works with my Little Romantic Roses template, available on my website, complete with step-by-step instructions. So if you love creating beautiful flowers, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more creative tutorials. And if you're ready, let's begin. Using your guide for measurements, cut the crepe paper and fold it into 4 layers. Secure the template on top with a paper clamp, then carefully cut out the inner petals. Continue using the templates to cut out all the petals and sepals, ensuring each piece is neat and ready for shaping. To shape the inner petals, gently stretch them using your thumbs to create a soft inward curve. For the outer petals, use your thumbs to stretch the center slightly, giving the petal a natural curve. Then use your shaping tool to define the back of the petal on one side for a more realistic look. Start by covering the tip of the floral wire with a small piece of crepe paper. Then attach with glue the first inner petal tightly in a swirl to create the rose's center. Gradually add the remaining inner petals, arranging them to form the rose's characteristic pattern. For the outer petals, pair them into 3 groups of 2. Add a little glue to the edge of one petal in each pair and press the next petal into place. This creates 3 pairs of outer petals. Finally, attach the outer petals to the rose, overlapping each petal slightly with the previous one to continue building the rose's natural shape. Attach the sepals to the base of the rose, attaching them securely around the petals. To finish, wrap the stem using floral tape that matches the sepals. This adds the perfect finishing touch to your little crepe paper rose. And here's the final result. I'd love to hear how your romantic roses turned out. Thank you so much for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you had a wonderful time crafting your own beautiful blooms. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to check out more of my templates and ideas on my website at florishly.com. Be sure to like, subscribe, and to share your creations with me. I can't wait to see the magic that you create. Until next time, stay creative, stay inspired, and take care. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!